How to enable or disable add your devices automatically in SmartThings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on connected devices. In connected devices, scroll down and then tap on SmartThings. After that, tap on the menu button. Then we go to the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in here, you want to scroll down. Then tap on add your devices automatically. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here it said you can automatically add devices purchased or registered through your Samsung account to SmartThings when they are near your phone. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.